So this is a relatively new regulator, and I'm getting 15 inches of mercury inside, and you can see they already have this thing threaded pretty much all the way out. So that means it should be not letting that much pressure through. Also, I'm noticing the pressure kind of slowly climbs up to like 15, which is where it seems to stop. So we're gonna take apart this union and thread this out of here, and check that valve seat, make sure that it looks good and clean, because sometimes a little bit of debris can get in there and cause it to do that. So I just took the dielectric union apart, and if you look down in here, look at that, we've got some shavings from when they deburred the copper that are down in there, so that's kind of a sign that we might have some debris stuck up in the seat here. So now we'll just thread this off. I think this one's a reverse thread. Let's see. So yeah, I would go this way. And you heard the meter back pressure release. Alright, we're gonna disconnect this portion. Nothing too much. And let's look up in here at the seat. Oh, yep, look at that. So you see that debris that's on there? That right there will cause excess pressure to get through, so we just need to go up in there and clean it all off. Over here at the tank, we're going to just flush out the line. So that should be 10 psi that's spraying out at that end. So that should blow any of the other debris that's caught in the line out. And unfortunately, it kind of looks like the valve seat might be damaged, because it's a pretty fine, small surface that really needs to do the sealing. And if you look in there, you can see there's a little indent where the valve seat was sitting on some debris. So we'll see if the pressure is still bad. After putting this back together, they might have to get a new regulator. You don't have to go too crazy with this tightening, because that is just a O-ring there, but I got it tightened all back together. We're going to turn the gas on and go see what the pressure is. So I'm just checking off the valve right there. Go ahead and turn it on. Okay, see how it's slowly climbing? Not as high as it was before, but it's still too high. I'm kind of going for right around 11 inches. And before it was getting up to 15, now we're getting up to like 12, so I'll have to mess around with the spring adjustment a little bit and see if we can get it to be more proper. Sweet, so now we're sitting right at around 11 inches of water column, which is what we want to see. I had to go outside and adjust the spring out just a little bit more, and then I kind of tapped on the valve body to shake any debris away from there. But I think the valve seat was able to kind of stick in a little bit better, and now we should be good to go. So I finally got the valve to take off. I had to pound on it a couple times. That overpressure from the gas pressure being too high, I think kind of made it have a hard time opening this first time. So it might be good to go now. But if it starts doing it again, then it's very likely that this valve is bad and we'll have to get a new valve. Unfortunately though, it's an SV, which is smart valve. These ones are really expensive to replace. So hopefully our fixing the gas pressure will just take care of the issue and it'll heat fine now. But yeah, should be good to go.